And states may be allocated additional funds to achieve the objectives, sir. As raw material and movement of people are essential for manufacturing sector to achieve economies of scale. Though goods transport is allowed, sir, there are large obstructions to such movement, as many states have been enforcing stricter measures on migrant labor and such movements. Already my state has suffered heavily as manufacturing has come to a standstill and agriculture is not able to market the producer, as markets across and the retail trade across the country are closed down, and we being net surplus in most of the agricultural commodities are facing the brunt, sir. Sir, we have provided a minimum support price for almost all agricultural produce due to the above situation. And because of such support, our finances are severely affected. And our consumption is limited, sir. The restrictions on interstate transport of goods has to be fully removed by all the states, and a situation has to come, sir, when a truck driver, without fear, should be in a position to travel anywhere with his goods without fear of being detained or quarantined, sir. We may all agree that the economy cannot be revived unless there is free movement of goods, migrant labor, and for this interstate boundaries must erase, sir. Sir, public transport is another sector which is affected unless restrictions on public transport across the states is lifted, sir. Movement of persons for attending to their work will be a major problem. Many people commute to their work, including the migrant labor. And if it is not allowed, sir, economy will not come back to normalcy. Sir, currently we've seen a situation where migrants are moving back to their original states. But if they don't come back once again to the states where they were earlier working, normalcy could never come back, sir. And for this, the stigma and the fear should go, sir. So sufficient physical distance inside the buses may, however, be maintained. Masks and sanitizers may be made mandatory in public transport. Similarly, sir, shopping centers can also be allowed to function with physical distancing and masks made compulsory, sir. Sir, while framing standard operating procedures, following points may be kept as the central idea, sir. Norms regarding physical distancing, norms regarding usage of masks, personal hygiene, special focus on rural and urban sanitation, sir. So the measures of upgrading our health infrastructure, sir, what I've just spoken about it some time back, sir, will cost us around 16,000 crores of rupees, sir. Being a new state, we would require support of the union government in achieving this objective. But sir, apart from what you fund, sir, if the union government can support us by way of interest-free or low-interest loans with long-term repayment period, then we can achieve this objective easily, sir. All our hospitals would be upgraded to the national standards from the village level to the teaching hospitals, and we would in turn build 16 more teaching hospitals, what would be the need of the hour, sir. Sir, we would also request that such loans towards health infrastructure, sir, may not be made part of the FRBM limits, so as to give us flexibility in ensuring other sectors do not face such fund crunch, sir. Sir, coming to MSME sector, sir. See, MSME, sir, MSME sectors is one sector, sir. In our state, we have around about 97,000 MSME units, sir, which deploy almost 970,000 people. Meaning to say, sir, every unit employs 10 people, sir, approximately. Sir, until and unless this sector is protected, until and unless this sector is handheld, this sector will collapse. Just imagine, sir, in our state, 97,000 units, which employ almost 10 lakh people. If this sector comes to a standstill, there will be unemployment everywhere, sir. So my suggestion, sir, for your consideration connected to MSME, sir, for 6 months, sir, for 2 quarters, if you can handhold this sector. Maybe, every MSME unit has 10 employees in it, sir. Maybe 10,000 rupees per employee for maybe 6 months. will take care of at least 30 to 40% of their salary requirements without having to retrench anybody, sir. Otherwise, people would be just forced to remove them from jobs. Maybe complete interest subvention for 6 months, sir. For 2 quarters will help the sector in a big way, sir. So as far as agriculture is concerned, sir, MSP is to be extended to more number of crops, including horticulture, sir. And procurement limits may be enhanced from the current 30% to at least 50%, sir, along with immediate opening up of wholesale and retail markets, sir. This goes a long way, sir. Sir, I would like to also state that our state finances have been severely affected, sir, which also requires your generous support. As, sir, if states are healthy, so are the people of the country, especially the downtrodden, sir. So this, by and large, is the conclusion, sir. I urge you to consider the above suggestions while relaxing the lockdown measures, as I have outlined above, to ensure all the citizens go back to their normal life and the symptomatic persons are handled by the health system through self-awareness so that the country gets back to the track, sir. Thank you, sir.